Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel once again. Thanks for tuning in to watch our video. So in today's video we are going to do review as usual. Please, if you're new here on this channel, we do reviews. Any review you can bring it here for us to do for you. Okay, yes, review boss lady, me and me. That is just by the way. Viewing night cap, okay, cap that you can use at night. Most of the times when we are going out, we want to look good to please maybe our partners, okay, or whoever you want to look good to please. But when you are going to sleep, that one too, you have to look good, okay? You just don't have to leave your hair anyhow like that. You have to look presentable when you are going to sleep. You have to look cute, sexy, beautiful when you are going to sleep. Abiba. So I brought you this. I just brought you this so that you can make a purchase and make your hair look very good. Okay, it is going to help you to keep your hair very neat as well when you are in braid or any kind of hairstyle. So this is 2 packs, okay, but because I wanted to do the thumbnail, I opened it. Sorry about that. So I got this $8.99. The name of the brand and everything is going to be in the description box. Please do want to check it out. Okay, so I just finished filming. Filming some video not too long ago. So you can see it is very, very long and it can fit any hairstyle, okay? Even if the hair is very, very long, it can fit it, okay? So you just have to put it on like this, okay, can't show me. You just have to put everything in. So if the hair is long, so it's very, very long, okay, very, very long. So I prefer doing it like this. Perfectly, and it is very, very beautiful. I just love it. So cute, okay? So it is 2 packs. I think I'll give this one to maybe Clarissa or Cornelia or maybe Serena. So that is it. You can see how beautiful it is, okay? Very, very beautiful, very cute, and also very affordable. $9, only $9, okay? I highly recommend this cap for you to make a purchase. So comfortable to wear, very, very comfortable. Please make a purchase, click on the link and visit them. Thanks once again. And the second one too, you have to look beautiful, okay, when you are going to sleep. Someone will say that going to sleep too, why should I look sharp? Some guy is saying they won't tell you the way you are looking, we don't like it. They won't say it. They won't say it, but you have to look good for them, okay, so that they will know that, oh, my wife looks beautiful, my wife looks good. It's not, you don't have to look some way after you're married, okay? You still have to look fresh even when you're married, okay? So that you will always know that marriage is a sign. Abi, you get it. So that is just by the way. Thanks for tuning in once again. Until I come your way next time. Bye. Take good care of yourself.